Wake up not just from your bed, but from your excuses. The world won't wait for you to feel ready. The clock is ticking and time is not your friend. Every single morning you open your eyes, that's a gift. But most people treat it like a curse. They hit snooze, they scroll, they waste the most powerful hour of their day, but not while you're here. Because something deep inside you knows. There's more in you, more for your life, and it starts a no-dub negotiating with your comfort zone. It's not your friend. It's not your safe space. It's a trap, and it's stealing your future. The champions, they rise before the world, not because they're not tired, but because they understand the fight is won in the dark, before the world ever sees the light. You don't need motivation. You need commitment. Motivation is a spark, but commitment is the fire that never goes out. Winners don't rise because they feel like it. They rise because they've made a decision, and every day they renew that decision. Your alarm clock is not your enemy. It's your opportunity. Get up, get focused, get hungry. Don't let this morning be ordinary. Make it legendary. Imagine 6 months from now, a year from now. You look back at this moment, the day you stopped talking about change and started living it. Every rep, every task, every step. It all starts here with this morning, so don't waste it. You've got one shot at this life. Wake up and own it. Asterisk. Every day you stay asleep, your dreams get colder, your purpose gets quieter, and your excuses, they get stronger. You weren't born to repeat the same cycle. Wake up, go to work, come home, scroll your phone, fall asleep, wake up again and do it all over. Know you were born for impact. You were born to lead. You were born to build something that will outlive you. But nothing great happens without a morning routine that fuels your mind, strengthens your body, and sharpens your focus. You want success? You want freedom? You want to change your life? Then change your mornings, because how you start your day is how you live your life. Get your mind right, get your heart aligned, and stop letting weak habits write your story. Winners don't wait for energy. They create it. They don't wait to feel ready. They move with purpose, even when it hurts, because pain is temporary. But regret will haunt you for years. Right now is your chance to break the pattern. Right now is your chance to choose power over pity, discipline over distraction, progress over perfection. Let the others sleep. Let the doubters doubt. Let the critics talk. You've got work to do. You've got a mission to complete, and every second you spend doubting yourself, you're giving time to fear. So stop waiting for the perfect moment. This is the moment. This is the hour. This is your time. The world belongs to the bold, to the consistent, to the ones who show up even when they don't feel like it. You're not chasing comfort anymore. You're chasing growth. Asterisk. You keep waiting for motivation. But let me tell you something. Motivation is a liar. It shows up when it wants to. It disappears. The moment things get hard, discipline shows up every day. Discipline is getting up when no one's watching, doing the work when nobody claps, grinding in silence, so you can shine when it's time. Every champion you admire, they didn't get there with motivation. They got there with habits, with structure, with self-control. Motivation might get you started, but discipline will finish the race. You won't always feel like showing up. You won't always feel strong. You won't always feel confident, but feelings are not facts. Feelings are not reality. They're just signals. And you don't obey your feelings. You lead them. You take action. Even when your mind screams, stop, you stay focused. Even when your emotions try to break you, you rise above them, because you're not controlled by your mood. You're guided by your mission. Every time you choose discipline, you build strength. Every time you say no to the easy way out, you sharpen your edge. Discipline doesn't just change your routine. It changes who you are. It makes you dangerous. It makes you untouchable. It makes you powerful. Once you taste the power of consistency, you'll never go back to chasing motivation because you'll realize you were never meant to be average. You were built to lead. You were built to dominate your space. And it starts with owning your morning every single day asterisk. Everybody wants the glory, but nobody wants the grind. They want the prize. But they don't want the process. They want success. But they run from struggle. But let me ask you this. Who would you be without the struggle? Would you have your strength? Would you have your resilience? Would you even respect your own story? The pressure you feel right now, it's not here to break you. It's here to build you. That failure you face, that wasn't your end. It was your lesson. That setback, that was your fuel. The world tries to sell comfort, but comfort never built warriors. Comfort never made leaders. Comfort never created greatness. Every obstacle you face is a test to see if you're serious, a test to see if you're still hungry, a test to see if your purpose means more than your pain when it hurts. Keep going when it's hard, dig deeper. When the world pushes back, push harder, because the fire you walk through today will become the fire inside you tomorrow. You are not fragile. You are not weak. You've been through storms and survived, so don't you dare let one bad morning, one bad week convince you that you aren't capable. You've got a fire in you, and it's time to turn every problem into purpose. Let your scars become armor. Let your story become power. Let your pain become your platform. You didn't come this far to stop. You came this far to rise.